Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Moto G Play 2023 for Verizon Prepaid. So the Moto G Play is now here at Verizon Prepaid. It's also available on the Verizon Postpaid service as well. So yeah, so it's currently not in stock right now as I'm recording this video, February 3rd. It's not in stock right now, so hopefully when this video is live on YouTube, the phone will be in stock, alright? So y'all guys will have a navy blue Moto G Play here, 64 gigabytes of storage, which is double the Boost Mode version. The Boost Mode version only has 32 gigabytes of storage. The Verizon version is $99.99, which is $30 cheaper than the Boost Mode version. So between the two versions, I would get the Verizon Moto G Play because it has more storage and it's cheaper. So there you go. So this is what the Moto G Play looks like here. Very nice looking phone. Y'all guys got the clock there, which is interesting clock there because it's pretty nice design there. You guys have your whole punch there for your front facing camera, earpiece above that, power button, volume keys on the right side of the phone. I think your micro SD and SIM card slot is on the left side of the phone. So yeah, front and back there, triple camera system, camo flash, fingerprint sensor. Like I said, this is a navy blue color here, so if you guys like the color of the phone, there you guys go. I personally don't like the color of the phone because I just don't personally, but some of you guys might like the color of the phone. I personally do not, but hey, that's my opinion. So yeah, right side, power button, volume keys. Left side, micro SD and SIM card slot right here where my mouse is on the left side. Back is your triple camera system, camo flash, fingerprint sensor. Right side, power button and volume keys. Left side, your micro SD and SIM card slot. Alright. So the Moto G Play has 3.1 inches in width, 6.58 inches in height, 39.5 days of standby time, 16 megapixel triple camera system, special features, smart composition, timer, active photos, portrait mode, spot color, live filter, Google Lens, integration, and panorama mode. So that's pretty cool. 3 days of basically 3 days of battery life. But 3 days of battery life, I don't know why it says 3 days of standby time. They need to correct that. But it's 3 days of battery. Meet the Moto G Play 2023, the smartphone that allows you to create and view more of what you want on the go. Unleash your inner content creator and experience remarkably clear and fluid images on a 6.5-inch display. Enjoy up to 3 days of battery life without having to worry about stopping to charge. You can also store the memories that matter to you. You can also store the memories that matter with expandable storage space and keep your smartphone safe from occasional spills and plastics with a water repellent design. Pair the Moto G Play with Verizon, the network America relies on. Alright, smooth, fluid 90Hz display. View movies, websites, games, and more on a 6.5-inch HD plus display. Enjoy switching between apps and scrolling without stopping with the super fast 90Hz refresh rate. Capture moments with a snap. If you're looking for a smartphone to take the perfect selfies or capture stunning landscapes, the Moto G Play 2023 features a triple camera system that allows you to capture professional looking portraits, take extreme close-ups, and find focus with ease. Take your best shot ever with the AI powered main camera ever when Your lighting isn't optional. Alright? Power you can depend on. Leave your power worries behind thanks to a massive 5,000 mAh battery that offers up to 3 days of battery life on a single charge. Expandable storage. Enjoy plenty of room to store what you love, from photos, movies, songs, apps, and beyond, with 32 gigabytes of storage, and add up to 512 gigabytes more storage with a micro SD card. Don't sweat the occasional spill. Keep your phone safe from accidental spills and splashes with a water repellent design. Keep in mind though that the Moto G Play is not waterproof, so keep it in mind. Security right at your fingertips. Unlock your phone using only your fingerprint. Just touch the fingerprint reader to wake up and access your phone with ease. The reader is discreetly located within the phone's iconic logo, so it doesn't impede the device's sleek design. So there you go. Specs. The height of the Moto G Play, 6.58 inches, width 3.1 inches, depth 0.37 inches. The Moto G Play weighs 7 ounces exactly. Type C, of course. Navy blue color. Plastic, of course, because this is a budget phone, so you do get what you pay for here. 6.5 inch TFT LCD HD plus display that's 1600 by 720 pixels, 269 ppi, 90Hz refresh rate, 20 by 9 aspect ratio, 39.5 days of standby time, 5,000 mAh battery, 10 watt rapid charger in box. Front camera, 5 megapixel front camera with that 5 megapixel front facing camera with f2.4 aperture. Special features include auto smile capture, burst shot, active photo, live filter, spot color, just a selfie, HDR. Rear camera, 16 megapixel triple camera system. Special features include smart composition, timer, active photos, portrait mode, spot color, live filter, Google lens, and panorama. The cameras on the back are 16, 2, and 2, respectively. You have a macro camera and a depth sensor on the back, so that's really cool. Videos, front camera video capture Full HD plus 30. The video on the front facing camera records in Full HD 30 frames. Front camera video software hyperlapse video. Rear camera capture main Full HD plus at 30. Macro camera 720p at 30 frames. It has a MediaTek Helio G37 processor, Android 12, 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage. It said 64 GB on the thing there. I said get this phone because it has 64 GB of storage, but it's 32 GB. I think that's a mistake. So my bad. So it has 32 GB of storage, guys, not 64 gigs. So it doesn't matter which version that you guys get, Boost or Verizon, doesn't matter. Pretty much the same phone. 32 GB of built-in storage, expandable vid micro SD up to 512 gigs, mobile hotspot, fingerprint, Bluetooth 5.0, Google Assistant, HairNet compatibility is there, gloaming and roaming network, world device which lets you use it. World device which works in over 200 countries depending on what plan you guys have. Sorry ratings there. Your Wi-Fi connections for the Moto G Play is Wi-Fi 8 to 211 ABGN and AC, dual band Wi-Fi, and it has 3 days of battery life. Alright. If you guys need help with your Moto G Play, Verizon is here to help you out with that. So it says here Verizon wireless support helps you better understand your Verizon mobile device and other Verizon services. So what comes in the box is your Moto G Play, the charger, and Type-C cable, SIM tool, and your guides there. So pretty much standard stuff in the box. So yeah, there you guys have it. The Moto G Play. It's not here at Verizon. For $99.99. This has 32 gigabytes of storage, not 64 gigs. I don't know why it says 64 gigabytes on the thing. I thought that was correct, but it's not. It's actually 32 gigabytes. So doesn't matter what version of the phone that you guys get. It's pretty much the same phone. So Verizon has it cheaper for $30 cheaper with the same specs and everything else. It is currently out of stock right now as I'm recording this video. So if you guys are looking to get a budget phone and whatnot, the Moto G Play is worth taking a look at here. It does look very nice, minus the blue color in my opinion. If it was available in black, it would look a whole lot nicer, but nonetheless the phone looks nice nonetheless. So there you guys go, Moto G Play, now available at Verizon. So if you guys enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If that's a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.